Isn't it relaxing to know that the solution to the most distressing and common symptom, loose motion, is present in your own backyard? Want to know what to give and what to avoid? In this video, I have covered 10 home remedies and few things to avoid. So let's dive in and explore these home remedies together. 1. Stay hydrated. The first and most important tip when experiencing loose motion is to stay hydrated. It's crucial to replenish the fluids lost during episodes of diarrhea to prevent dehydration. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, coconut water, or electrolyte-packed drinks to keep your body hydrated and maintain your energy levels. 2. The Brat diet is a time-tested remedy for soothing an upset stomach and promoting recovery from loose motion. Brat stands for bananas, rice, apple, and toast. These bland and easily digestible foods can help firm up the stool and provide essential nutrients without putting additional strain on your digestive system. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help restore the balance of your gut microbiome and improve digestive health. You can find probiotics in foods like yogurt. Incorporating these probiotic-rich foods into your diet can support your digestive system and aid in the recovery process. 4. Fruits. Fruits like pomegranate, apple, and banana help in binding stools and thereby improving the consistency of stool. 5. Drinks. Homemade lemon juice with a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of sugar, buttermilk, homemade vegetable soup help in rehydration. 6. Herbal teas. Herbal teas have soothing properties that can help calm an upset stomach and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Chamomile tea, ginger tea, peppermint tea, and fennel tea are some great options to try when experiencing loose motion. These teas can help ease symptoms and promote gastrointestinal health. 7. Coconut water. Coconut water is not only hydrating, but also rich in electrolytes like potassium, which can help replenish lost nutrients during episodes of diarrhea. Drinking coconut water can help maintain your electrolyte balance and provide relief from symptoms of loose motion. 8. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it a beneficial remedy for digestive issues like loose motion. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, is a soothing beverage that combines turmeric with warm milk and honey. This comforting drink can help reduce inflammation in the gut and promote healing. 9. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off harmful bacteria in the digestive system that may be causing loose motion. Brewing a cup of cinnamon tea by steeping cinnamon sticks in hot water can provide relief from diarrhea and support healthy digestion. 10. Rest and relaxation. In addition to these home remedies, it's essential to give your body the rest it needs to recover from loose motion. Avoid strenuous activities, get plenty of rest, and allow your digestive system time to heal. Stress can exacerbate gastrointestinal issues, so practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation can also be beneficial. 11. Foods to be avoided. Avoid sweetened juices like cold drinks, fruit juices, commercially available, ready to drink. Fruit juices, and all kinds of sweets. Sugar by way of osmosis increases loose motion. Also avoid giving difficult-to-digest foods like meat, chana, green peas. In conclusion, loose motion can be a discomforting issue, but with the right remedies and self-care practices, you can find relief and support your body's natural healing process. From staying hydrated to incorporating probiotics and soothing herbal teas into your routine, these home remedies can help alleviate symptoms and promote digestive health. Remember to listen to your body, give it the rest it needs, and consult a healthcare professional if your symptoms persist or worsen. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips help you on your journey to better digestive health.